Here's a Nissan Sentra. Let's get started. Now this child door lock feature is only in the rear doors, not the front door. So let's get started with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is a switch. All you have to do is just push the switch down to activate the feature. And once the feature is activated, I can still open it from outside. However, if I get on the inside and close the door, no matter what I do, lock, unlock, it doesn't matter. I will not be able to open the door. So how am I going to get out? I'm just going to slide on to the other side, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So I'll open this door, open the left side door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate the feature, and now it's deactivated. I can still open it from outside, and now when I get on the inside, just like normal, lock position, cannot open, unlock, I can open, and that is good. Repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door, same process, same switch, just push it down to activate the feature, and I can still open it from outside. And on the inside, once I close the door, no matter what I do, lock, unlock, I will not be able to open. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. I'm going to slide onto the other side, open that door and get out. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure to activate this feature separately for both the doors. So for now, let's just go on over here to the other side, open this door and let's get out of the car. Open the right side door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate the feature, and now I can open it from outside. And on the inside, when I close the door in the lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that is very good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.